you have it. Because so many of you asked for it, I 3D printed a Team Fortress 2 dispenser. As you may have noticed, I had to print the front faceplate separately because I ran out of material and had to wait 2 days to get more in the mail. If you guys have any ideas for something you'd like to see me print on my 3D printer, please leave it in the comments below, and as always, if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Once upon a time, there was a man who did not subscribe to Dr. Buddha's channel, and then he died.